Purtainet is a cloud-based web application. We specifically designed it to help you cut out repetitive work in business management and to make your business process highly efficient and effortless. Get insights onto every aspect of your business at the speed of thought. Accounts and finance management. Accounts management refers to the strategic planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of financial undertakings in an organization. Purtainet helps you with auto and manual vouchers, statutory reports, books of accounts, reconciliation, statement of account, auto reconciliation with GST R2A, 100+ reports on accounting, auto or manual vouchers. Advantages include importing of GST R2A from online and checking auto reconciliation based on your purchase register, importing or exporting from bank beneficiaries or bank reconciliations from various banks. With Purtainet, there is no need to hire an expensive accountant to calculate your ESIs, PFs, and PTs. Purtainet automatically calculates your ESI, PF, and PT in real time, and you can export the document to your respective website. Any accountant with the basic knowledge can take care of all your requirements. Purtainet is your one-stop for all your business managerial solutions. Sit back and relax as Purta streamlines all your work seamlessly so you can focus on the most important thing, flourishing your business. Accessibility, affordability, reliability.